Hey everybody, I wanted to come to you again with another hidden gem recipe that is one of those on the website that you might be just scrolling past thinking, but I just want to inspire you to show you how good this is. This is the Strawberry Basil Chicken. Now y'all know how to grill chicken. Like, this is not a new thing, obviously, but I want to show you how to take your grilled chicken up a notch on flavor and just to keep it interesting. And when it is spring and we're kind of phasing into summer and you can get fresh strawberries and fresh basil, this is one of those recipes that needs to be on your must try. So what I did with the chicken, and it can be chicken breast, I actually had chicken tenderloins, and so you pick your favorite chicken. And so I marinated the chicken really just 30 minutes to an hour ahead of time. You could absolutely do it overnight too. So all I did with the chicken is I added olive oil and lemon juice and some garlic and rosemary, a little salt and pepper, and just kind of put that in a bowl, got it well coated, and let that sit in the refrigerator. And then let it sit out at room temperature a little bit before you're gonna grill. And so all we did was just put it on a grill. We actually bought a new flat top. So we have a flat top grill that we use this on. But one of the things that I just had to do, because you can't only grill chicken, is we had to add some vegetables. And so we did mushrooms, onion, asparagus, and we even grilled these little garlic scapes that we got from the farmer's market. And all I did was olive oil, salt, and pepper on those using I finally found an olive oil sprayer that I love. It sprays, streams, and you pop this open and it'll pour. It's pretty cool. So we had that, and so we just grilled the chicken and the veggies, and now we've let them cool and cut them up a little bit. And so once you have all that done, or actually while you're doing that, you could even do this ahead of time. So we have got 2 cups of strawberries, because you're gonna make this kind of strawberry salsa topping almost for the chicken. So 2 cups of strawberries, and then this is about half of a medium red onion. And then we're gonna add about half a cup of chopped fresh basil, and then 2 tablespoons of white balsamic vinegar. You could also use regular balsamic. The white balsamic is just gonna keep it brighter and fresher looking. And then a dash of salt and pepper, and then toss this up. And then we are also going to add, we're not adding olive oil, but we're actually gonna add an avocado in here. So this is how I like to do the avocado. I just pop out the stem, and then, ta-da, it's actually a really good one. So I'm just gonna create a checkerboard pattern with my knife, and the skin is gonna protect your hands. You could also turn your knife around and do it backwards. I had a chef friend show me that. And then we're just gonna take a spoon, and so your avocado is already gonna be all chopped up. And so whether you do half of the avocado or the whole avocado, totally personal preference. But I would definitely wait and do the avocado right before serving. That way your avocado won't turn brown. But also that balsamic in here is gonna help keep it from turning brown. So here is the assembly part. Now we also cooked some farro. So you could do quinoa farro if you wanted to add a grain to this. And so we are going to put some chicken on our plate. And then of course, we're gonna add some veggies on the side here. And so we've got some avocado, or asparagus, garlic scapes, and our mushrooms and onion, and then our chicken. Let's add a little bit more. And then what you're gonna do, since we're adding some farro into the mix, we're gonna layer that in there. And then you take this vibrant, beautiful strawberry basil topping, which is gonna go fantastic over the farro, and you're gonna put that on there. And no, we're not quite done. I have one more thing we're gonna add. So just to even take it that much more over the top, whether you take balsamic vinegar, it can be white or it can be regular, and create a balsamic reduction. Basically, you're gonna put it in a saucepan and just let it simmer and thicken. Or you can buy an aged balsamic that's a little bit thicker. So this is the one that we love, and we're gonna drizzle some thick aged balsamic, or you could do balsamic reduction over that, and it is going to burst with flavor, and it screams spring, almost summer on a plate, and it is just refreshing and delicious, and I would love for you to check it out and try it. It's the Strawberry Basil Chicken, and then let us know what you think.